everybody, Chantal here from RapidStudio. Mother's Day is coming up and I'm sure you'd love to give your mum something super special that shows your love and appreciation for her this Mother's Day. Don't forget that what mums and grands love the most are the people that made them mums and grands. That's why these photo products are so popular as Mother's Day gifts. A beautiful way for you to capture your love for mum in a gift is these canvas collages. The artwork you see is already made for you, and using the RapidStudio editor, all you need to do is pop in your photos. Let me show you how easy it is. Jump on the website and select Canvas and Wall Art and Canvas Collages. Then select the shape and size of canvas you'd like and the design you prefer. We're making wild peony today, and click the Create Now button. When the editor opens, click on the Layouts button on the vertical navigation bar and choose the layout you prefer. Click the Upload button to the left and upload images from your computer and into the RapidStudio editor. Click and drag your pictures into position, and where you see a little compass appear in the center, that allows you to move your photo within the frame into the position you like. You can even click the Clip Art tab on the top left hand if you want to play around with the artwork to your liking. Give your project a name and click the play button near the top right of the screen to see your project clearly and see that you're happy with how it looks. If you are, click the blue shopping cart and follow the prompts to place your order. There are loads of products to choose from to suit every mum, gran and budget.
Something I really love and use a lot are these beautiful wire-bound notebooks for you to put your own photos in the front and back.
Wishing all mums and grands the happiest of Mother's Days, and I hope you find the perfect gift that will make her smile.